Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, and you'll be learning about your reading, math, social studies, science, and fine arts. Come along with me. Alright, boys and girls, for reading, we are going to be learning about a story. Now, I'm going to show you a picture, but before I show you the picture, we are going to read the sentence. It says, "This sack is fat." I'm going to read it again. Listen. This sack is fat. Now I'm going to show you a picture and I'm going to ask you. Now, do you see a sack, everybody? Yes, I see a sack. Now, who can tell me who is holding onto the sack? Grandpa and Mommy is holding onto the sack. Now, from the story, it says this sack is fat. Now, let's look at the sack again. Does the sack look fat? Yes, I see a fat sack. Now, who can tell me what's inside the sack? I see carrot, I see chicken, I see some broccoli. That means they are ready to cook. The sack is fat. Now, the next thing you do is to trace the word this sack. You're going to trace this word, this sack, and then you're going to write the word right here at the bottom, this sack. That's all you need to do for the top right here. And here we have some patterns. The patterns is going to tell us the sounds. Now, we have ah. Now you're going to look at this row and look for the sound that has the same with the one here. Now I'm going to come over to this one. I have am. Is it the same thing as No. I'm going to cross it out because they have a different sound from the one here. I'm looking for the sound that says ah. The sound is ah. I'm going to go to the next one. Ah. Now I think I hear something similar. What do? I'm going to circle it because that is the sound I'm looking for. I'm going to go to the next one. Ah. Is it the same sound? What do? I'm going to cross it out. I'm going to go to the next one. Is it the same with the sound? No. So what do? I'm going to cross it out. And that's all you need to do for the remaining sound. I'm going to read the first sounds to you and then you work on which one is right and which one is wrong. We have You're going to look for the sound that says and this one You're going to look for the one that says and the last one E. You're going to look for the sound that says E. And that's all you need to do for this page.
All right, boys and girls, for this page on language for learning, we're going to be learning top. All right, let's see. We have different animals right here. I have a cow, a cat, and right here I have a pig. Is this cow on top? No, it's not. Let's see. Is the pig on top? No, the pig is not on top. It's right here at the corner to the side. Let's check the cat. Is the cat on top? Yes, the cat is on top. All right, boys and girls. We have top right here. The cat stays on top. So what you need to do on this side is to color the pictures. We have the sandwich. You're going to match it with this one. Now match it, color it with different colors. Then we have this one right here. Let's see which one doesn't have a line. Fish. So you're going to make a line, connect the line to the fish. So I'm going to connect the dot of the fish together. So once you connect the dot, so you're going to draw your fish. Make sure you draw a nice fish. So can you see my fish? So right here I have a fish. You're going to draw your fin right here. So you can color your fish any color you want. So can you see it now rhymes? Now, all right, boys and girls, at the bottom right here, we're still going to see which picture is on top. All right, show me a bottle right here. So where did you see the bottle? On top. How many bottles do you have on this table? It's just one, Miss Adetano. Right next to the chair we have right here. How many bottles do we have right here? 2 bottles. So what you need to do is to color the pictures and touch the cat at the top of the page. Right here, this is the cat at the top of the page. So give all the pictures right here nice and beautiful colors, and make sure you color inside the line. Please, boys and girls, on every pages of your packets, make sure you put your first name and your last name. Thank you.
All right, boys and girls, for maths this week, you're going to be learning how to count on. Now we have 5 plus blank equal 9. We need to know what number needs to be in this box. So you're going to count from 5 to 9. You're going to count from 5 to 9. Now, whatever you have left is what you're going to put in this box. Now, I'm going to start from here. Now, go with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, I said they are going to count from 5 to 9. Now, I need to count how many lines I have here in order to put the answer in this box. Now, listen to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. I'm going to put number 4 here. So that means 5 plus 4 equal 9. Now I need to make how many lines here? I'm going to make 9 lines here. Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the same way I did this is the same way you should do the one at the bottom. Now for number 2, we have 2 plus 0 equal how many? Now I need to count 2 lines. Let's count. Let's go. 1, 2 plus 0. Now remember, I said when you have 0, that means nothing. That means you do not make any line right here. Now we need to count the lines together and put the answer here. Now let's count it together. Get ready. 1, 2. We have nothing here, and that means we don't have any lines to count. So you write number 2 here and you make 2 lines. Let's go. 1, 2. For number 3, you do not have to do anything here. And for number 4, we already used to this. You're going to count the lines here, add it together and put the answer here. But before you do that, you need to count the lines to put the answer here. Now let's count those lines. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put number 3 here and I count the lines together in order to get my answer here. Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means my 4 plus 3 equals 7. I'm going to make 7 lines. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all you need to do all the way down. And for here, you're going to copy the numbers here. This is 10, which is a 1 and a 0. So you trace 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0. Now for here, you have 9, 2, 4, 0, and 1. You write the numbers all the way. Now for the last part here, You have 8, 4, 1, and 3. All you need to do is to match the number all the way down to the blank, and you make the lines that you see. Now I see number 8. That means I'm going to make 8 lines. Now here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's all you need to do for this page.
All right, boys and girls, for science today, we're going to be continuing on our senses. Remember, yesterday we did the sense of taste. Today we're going to be doing our sense of feel. So what do you use to feel? Your hand. Can you see? That's why I have a hand right here. So what you need to do here on this part is just to color this hand nicely. Then at the bottom, you're going to draw a picture of what you can use your hand to feel. We have a lot of things that we can use our hands to feel. You can use your hand to feel yourself, your clothes, your pencils. You can see the pencil I'm holding right now. So I'm going to try as much as possible to draw a pencil. Let's see if Miss Adetona can draw a nice looking pencil. See? So I'm going to try my best. Can you see Miss Adetona pencil? Then I'm going to give it a nice color. Now I'm going to write right here, a pencil. Pencil. All right, boys and girls, you need to color it. Now tell me, how does it feel? Does it feel soft or hard? The pencil is hard, so it's not easy to break. Unlike the paper right here, the paper is soft. I can squeeze it. Can you see? It is soft. But right here, the pencil, it is what? Hard. So think of another thing that you can feel in your house and draw it right here and give it a beautiful and nice color.
All right, boys and girls, for social studies, we've been learning about good choices and bad choices. Now, remember, when you make a good choice, what will your teacher give you? She's going to give a happy face. Now, if you make sad choices, which most of you do not like it, you're going to have a sad face. Now, this is a face for those that make good choices, and all you need to do for this face is to give it a green color all the way down to show that you like to make good choices at school, at home, and when you go out with your parents. That's all you need to do for this page.